How to add the steps counter widget on your home screen. This is for the Galaxy A15 smartphone. I'll also show you where to go to actually give it permission to enable it to start actually counting while the widget is on your home screen. All right, so let's get started. So before adding the widget, you'll need to go into the Samsung Health app to enable some permission settings, especially if it's your first time doing it. So you'll look for the Samsung Health app, which is the one that has this icon here, the Samsung Health one here. You will long press this one here, and you will go to the I in the circle, the app info option here. Once you're here now, you will need to give it permission to certain features. This is going to allow it to do the counting and all that stuff here. Okay, so allow notifications, you want to do that. Then go to permissions here, and you want to allow it for physical activity. If you're just focusing on the physical activity here, you want to make sure you have it set. So look for it under this part here. And you can also go down and give it access to the others that are not allowed. Once you select it, so for example here, you'll tap on it and allow while using the app here, that's going to allow it to use the body sensors for the Samsung Health app, okay? So once you've given that permissions here, you will now be able to add the widget on your home screen and make use of it. There is a part that will prompt you to give it permission as an overlay. That'll happen automatically, and you'll go ahead and enable that for you, okay? So you'll now go ahead and long press it like this here on the home screen, and you'll see widgets. Go to widgets and then go down to the part that says the health. You look for health. And you'll see the different options, and you'll see steps. So this is to add the step counter here. When you tap on it here, you'll add it. Then you'll see this here show up. Once it appears like that, you can pull on the tab here to make it bigger. And as you start walking, that's going to start counting. Now you can tap away, you can long press it to make some changes to the settings in terms of the style if you want to, either one of these here. And by tapping on it one time, you will be able to see what's been going on here, okay? And that's pretty much it for this video tutorial. Like and sub.